there. Today we got an iPhone 6s. We need to change LCD and battery on the phone. So we're going to remove the two screws that are here. Once the screws are out, just insert your tweezer somewhere on the side. It's after a long time I'm opening iPhone 6 series. Yeah, so once you have removed, it's in a bad condition, so it and it doesn't have what it doesn't have inside. This is your LCD connector. There's a screw in there also. I believe this is one of this screw. It doesn't have speaker, I think, yeah. And then we're going to open these two screws for the battery. Those screws are off. We can remove this plate. The battery comes out. We're going to put the new battery. Fit it and put those two screws back, and then we're going to work on the LCD because this is an old LCD. It has too many screws, so we're going to put this and close it.
There was too many things. I always remember when I'm looking for something, so it was in the bag.
So now we're going to work on the LCD. First we're going to remove the home button. It has a flexi, but first this cushion will come off. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 screws, so I'm gonna remove all these screws quickly so the video doesn't get long. Then this plate comes out, and this plate will be easily removable. You can remove it like this though also. After removing the screws, this plate should be easily removable, and there must be a clip for the, that's just the plate. This is your clip for the home button. Home button comes out and it's broken also. So this phone basically is just, I think it's a kid that using it, and then we're going to give them like that, the way it is. Confirmed, no speaker, no home button working. We're going to put this plate, put all the screws 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th screw here, and we're going to put that plate back with the home button in there as it was. I'm going to put all the screws back and then close it. Now you can see all the screws are back. This plate is there, so we're going to connect the LCD. Although we need only this part here to connect it because rest isn't working. So this connector is LCD connector, both connectors are connected. Adjust your LCD from top. It has locks on top. Once those locks are connected, you can hear it. The bottom locks will connect also. So now the phone is working. We have put back the home button as it was used to be, and now we just need to put those two bottom screws, and then we can close the phone and we are done with the repair. Please subscribe my channel, give me watch time. I need watch time. As you can see, the phone is working. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.